Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to hide receiving SMS messages, meaning when I call as a message on your phone, that person will not know that you received it and read it. That person who sent you that message will not know that you received that message and read it. A very simple way only from the message settings, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step is to go to the original messaging application on our phone, then click on it. After that, we click on the profile icon or the settings icon, depending on what you have. After that, you go down to the bottom. You will find the message settings. Click on it, and here you click on the first option that appears to you here. After that, we cancel the activation of sending message notifications or receiving messages. We activate this first and second option. From here, this was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.